Hi, this is Wes Clark. I'm the President of LIE's Linguistic Interrogation Expert Services. Police officers or any investigator within the public or private sector who conducts interviews or interrogations on a regular basis have a tendency to become a little jaded and may unknowingly form what is called a deception bias. This is the inclination to believe that people are going to tell us a lie or lie to them, so therefore they look for indicators of deception. There are several things wrong with this. First, we should approach every interview with a clean slate and maintain our objectivity. We don't want to enter an interview biased in any way. Secondly, if we believe they are going to lie, we will look for only signs of deception. And that's all we're going to see, to the exclusion of everything else. This is what psychologists call confirmation bias, which means that people see things and select things that confirms to their internal or initial beliefs. And third, quite often investigators are misinformed about what actual clues of deception look like anyway, so they're looking for things that may not be related to deception at all. The problem is compounded if they find them, because this confirms their beliefs and solidifies their opinions that this person is being deceptive, when in fact they may be telling the truth. And lastly, most investigators do not look for signs of credibility, partly due to the deception bias we talked about, and partly due to the fact that they're not trained to identify what signs of credibility or truthfulness are. They are primarily trained to look for lies and deception. Investigative statement analysis provides investigators with skills to identify deception and truthfulness. Simple things like being committed to what the person is saying by using the first person singular past tense are signs of credibility that can help an investigator assess the information during an interview or within written statements. Other things like the inclusion of detailed sensory information also adds credibility to what is said due to the fact that the event is coming from memory, are going to often have more sensory detail because it was actually experienced as opposed to a story that was totally fabricated. With training in statement analysis, we teach investigators to identify possible deception as well as truthfulness in written and oral communication and how to use that information to develop it further and obtain a complete picture of the truth.